December 28, 1974, Peshawar, the capital of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, suffers an earthquake of 6.2. 5,300 people were dead and about 17,000 people were injured. December 31, 1983, Gilgit-Baltistan, one of the most beautiful places in the world and in Pakistan, suffered an earthquake of about 7.2. From 12 to 26 people were dead and about 60 to 483 people were injured. May 20, 1992, Kohar division suffered an earthquake of 6.2. 36 people were dead and about 100 were injured. One of the biggest earthquakes in Pakistan, October 8, 2005, an earthquake of about 7.6 hitting Azad, Kashmir, Balakot and several other more cities of Pakistan. 86,000 people were dead and about 69 to 75,266 people were injured. October 29, 2008, Ziyarat district, Balochistan suffered an earthquake of about 6.4. 215 people were dead and about 200 were injured. September 24, 2013, Auran district, Balochistan suffered an earthquake of about 7.7. 825 people died and about 700 were injured. And the same month, the same year, the same place, an earthquake of 6.2. 400 people died, and then injuries, there's no one injured. October 26, 2015, Badakhshan and the rest of cities like Peshawar and other cities suffered an earthquake of 7.5. 399 people were dead and about 2,536 were injured.